Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday. I've done some office work. I'm supposed to go to the nail salon. I'm not fixing my nails. I just want to paint them. I don't know how to do anything with fixed nails. It's just that I painted my nails 3 weeks ago, and see, they're embarrassing me. I need to go and clean it off and repaint. So that's that. Then what else? Then I want to go to the mall as well. I want to buy a face moisturizer. There's one I have in mind. I think is a skin fix barrier repair one. I want to try that because I just think I'm due for a new face moisturizer. So I buy face moisturizer. I just look around the mall and see what they have. Then I'm craving junk. I'm craving McDonald's. I've been craving it since yesterday. I haven't got McDonald's yesterday, but I got the small one. One small, it not satisfy that craving. See, let me eat and eat well. I know that I've quenched that crave. Yeah, I can't wait to carry you guys along. So let's start this journey. Yeah, Amaka. Oh. Thank you. God, I'm vexing right now. I went to the nail salon and they said that they don't have time until 4 p.m. I'm frustrated because I planned on doing my nails here. If I had known, I should have stopped by at the place that was closer to mine, that's closer to my house. I should have done that before coming here. God, I'm angry now because I'm done with Sephora and I'm supposed to look around. Let me go to McDonald's first. Have some burger. Can I do four? Let me see you. Okay, let me tell them to book me for four because it's 2:30 already, and I'm sure I can faff around for the next 1 hour 30 minutes. Hi. Hello. Hi. Can we do for four, please? Can we do slightly earlier?
I put you down for 4, but if I have something earlier, I'll call you.
Okay.
That's the best I can do.
Oh, that's fine.
Can I have your phone number?
So that's it's another day as usual. Another day, another problem. Is it a problem? It's actually a problem. It's stressing me out. I have to, out of the blues, employ two more people today. Not two more people, two people today, because one of our staff, now she's serving and she's supposed to serve at Tikafo. Tikafo is registered with NYSC. We worked hers. She got posted to Lagos, but the issue now is they are refusing to post her. So why that is annoying is that, so essentially we just worked her service to Lagos for nothing. It's so annoying. So they've been going back and forth, blah 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 blah. And honestly, I've had it. I just thought that, you know what, babe, come and be going to your NYC. So I have to get someone to fill her role. That's one. Then two, we employed somebody recently to take care of customer service. Ciao. See, the person has the zeal to work, but customer service is not it at all. So let me not say too much because the person still works with us for now. He's on that 3 month probation, so let's see how he will cope in other things in the store for the next 3 months.
Thank you. I to meet you.
Yes. Okay, so this will be very brief.
Around, even while she's around, I manage it for her. I also have experience in the beauty store setting.
So it's another Saturday, and today just going to unbox some things I got from Amazon, tidy up the house. I don't think I'll do any intense cleaning today because I want to do some work. If I start any cleanup, cooking, any house chores, I put on a podcast because that's just my way of learning things. So I'll just look for a favorable podcast right now and put that and start getting to work.